I've always been interested in making money online, so in 2018 I started selling on Amazon. In this video I want to explain to you what Amazon FBA is and if you can make money from it. Basically, Amazon FBA is a service you can get from Amazon where you send all your inventory to Amazon via UPS with a heavily discounted price, and then once the item is in Amazon's warehouse, they will pick the item, pack the item, ship the item. If there's any returns, they deal with the returns and also offer customer support. It costs £25 for the FBA service. There is the free option where you can pay when you sell an item. Similar to eBay, you'll pay the fee for selling it, but you have to deal with all the logistics of it. The advantage of going for FBA is that you get access to all the European countries, the marketplaces there. There are 100 million Prime members on Amazon, and they're more likely to buy an item on Amazon which has the Prime badge next to it as opposed to one that doesn't, because if you're not an FBA seller, you don't get the Prime badge next to your item. Customers prefer 2-day shipping over having to wait for the third-party seller to actually ship the item. Keep in mind with the FBA account that you will have storage fees, removal fees. When you get closer to the Christmas time, there are extra storage fees. It's only a few pence, but the idea is you don't want to keep too much inventory in Amazon warehouse because of the storage fees. If an item gets returned from a customer, you need to keep in mind that that item, if it's sellable, it'll go back into your inventory and you will be able to sell it again. If it's not, then it'll get returned to you at your home address. Sometimes inventory does go missing. You might send a shipment in and it might go missing, but don't worry because Amazon does reimburse you. To answer the question, can you make money on Amazon? The answer is most definitely. 50% of Amazon sales come from third-party sellers who are either FBA or FBM. If you sell on Amazon, you're going to be able to get access to all those customers who are logging onto Amazon and spending that money. There are different ways you can make money on Amazon, different business models. You have retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, wholesale, private label. Click on the next video and I'll explain to you what each of them are and which one is the best to make money on Amazon.